Good morning! Meron talaga akong lipstick. I'm trying on lipsticks para gagamitin ko sa Get Ready With Me ko mamaya. I'm gonna do like, you know, a wedding makeup trial. And I was thinking might as well film it. And just like, you know, talk. I will go ahead and clean my beauty blender and my Real Techniques sponge na nasa banyo. Ang tagal na nun dun. Kasi tinatamad ako na linisan siya. And also, hindi ko mahanap yung aking beauty blender cleaner, yung soap. Beauty blender soap. Nahul ko yun eh. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nilagay. Where are you? And some of you guys have been asking me kung saan ko nilalagay yung aking beauty blender. Ito oh. Nakuha ko to from Zaful. Yeah, ang cute diba? Meron akong dalawa. There. Hindi ko siya na-feature sa haul ko kasi nung na-receive ko yung package, ginamit ko siya agad-agad, and when I filmed the haul, nakalimutan ko na siya i-include. Now, I need to find my beauty blender soap. We got this in the mail today. Discoveries from Innovations, and then I saw this. Could your jigsaw puzzles be any more fun? Yes, when you're this organized. But guess how much? 135. Right? No, 35. 139. Pero yeah. Cool. Pero hindi ko na na-touch yung puzzle ko ever since na dinestroy ko siya na hindi ko siya natapos. I've been so busy doing stuff. So yeah, I'm uploading my video. I'm just checking if it's actually uploading. Yep, it's uploading. I will take a shower para makapag-film na ako. And yes, let's do. Oh, should I cook rice while taking a shower? No, I'll take a shower and then cook rice later on. Guys, this is it. I got the job. It's official, 100% official. I got the job. I'm gonna have an orientation on Monday. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Sobrang stressed ko right after the interview kasi, or after Monday, nung tinawagan nila ako, akala ko yun na. And sobrang stress ko kasi, sobrang kinakabahan ako. Gusto ko umiyak. Sobrang stress ko kasi sinabi nila na parang hindi pa sure. Kasi, sinabi nila na tanggap ka na. Pero tinawagan nila ako ulit. Sabi nila, hindi pa sure kasi kailangan pa namin, meron kaming kailangan i-check sa visa mo. And then, all that. And then, it turned out na, okay lang. Okay na yung visa ko. Sabi nila, yes, hired ka. I was like, oh my gosh. Tinext ko si Dan, sabi ko, call me when you're free. Sabi niya, I wanna congratulate you officially. This is it. You're hired. And I was like, oh my gosh. It has been a long week waiting for this kasi, again, I wasn't sure. And kapag visa na yung pinag-uusapan, kapag meron silang nakitang something sa visa ko, kasi my visa will expire July. But then again, ma-extend siya, walang problema at all. And I'm glad na they saw that. And, yeah, I'm so happy. This is it, you guys. I got it. I'm gonna be working. And I'm so excited. Like, hindi nyo lang alam. Nung nandito ako for tourist visa, lagi ko na talagang sinasabi na I cannot wait to start working. Kasi Adelaide is just a great place to work. Kapag nasa bahay ka lang, hindi siya boring para sa akin kasi I keep myself busy. I just don't see myself na, like, patamad-tamad na walang ginagawa. So, that's why I upload videos every day. That keeps me busy. I like doing that. Gusto ko talaga, kahit nung nasa tourist visa pa ako, gusto ko talaga magtrabaho na. Lagi ko na sinasabi kay Dan, gusto ko magtrabaho na kasi ang saya kaya magtrabaho kapag nasa ibang bansa ka. Like, maano mo talaga, makikita mo talaga yung pinaghirapan mo. Sa mga tao na nagsasabi na pinipilit ako ni Dan na magtrabaho, you have no idea at all. Like, yung sinasabi nyo ganyan, naiiyak na naman ako. Kapag naiisip ko yun, naiinis ako, tapos ayaw ni Dan na i-video ko siya, pero now I'm doing it. Sabi niya, wag mo nang sabihin, like, wag mo ako ipagtanggol and ish like that. And, yeah. Pero yung tao kasi walang kaalam-alam, kapag sasabihin, pinipilit ka na Dan. No, he's not. I'm 26 freaking years old. Like, I will do whatever I want to do with my life. Dahil ba gusto mo magtrabaho, pinipilit ka na? No. It's my decision. And si Dan, sobrang supportive. Like, lagi yan sinasabi, kung makuha mo yan, great. Pero kung hindi, wag kang mag-alala kasi wala namang problema. Like, lagi yan sinasabi sa akin yan. And wala siyang ibang ginawa kundi supportaan ako. Tapos yung ibang tao sasabihin na, oh, pinipilit ka na. It's just crazy. Like, you need to freaking stop. Especially if you do not know what really is going on. But yeah, Tatawagan ako ni Dan later.
You said give you a call and a text? Was that an old one or?
No, it's a new one. Yeah, I said give me a call when you're free.
Okay.
I got it.
Oh, you got it?
I did. This is...
How good's that?
I know, right? It's official, babe. Like, I got it. I will have an orientation this Monday.
Oh my, that means you can't do Rosalie on Monday.
I know, I need to cancel that.
Oh well.
Yeah, 10,
That's awesome.
10 in the morning. I know!
Who's the best?
Me.
I'm so proud of you, babe. That is awesome.
Thank
You
you.
can play great. You don't have to stress no more job crappy interviews. It's
So you need to drop me off on Monday. If
yeah,
you
that's
want.
fine.
Yeah.
What time is it?
10.
Okay, 10 to...
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I don't think it will last long at all, but I can just walk to Rundle Mall.
Yeah, or if you decide to catch a bus, you know where to catch a bus now from as well.
Yeah, I can try that as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello! Tapos na ako mag-film. Ang gulo-gulo na! Pero that's okay. Kumain na ba ako ng lunch? Yeah, kumain ako ng lunch. Kalimutan ko kung kumain na ako ng lunch. Medyo masakit yung aking puson. Ito yung makeup na ginawa ko kanina. Hindi pa ako sure kung ito talaga yung isusuot ko sa wedding kasi practice pa naman yun. And I have been wearing my heels as well around the house para lang masanay ako. Pero hindi naman siya mahirap. Hindi siya mahirap at all kasi very chunky nung heel ko. So, okay lang siya. Ang init, grabe. Nihintay ko na lang si Dan. Aalis kami. And magdi-dinner din kami. So, yeah. Sabi niya, iiwasan daw namin yung city. Kasi traffic. Merong race, something going on. So, yeah. And napaka-exciting guys kasi bukas pupunta dito si Anna at saka si Kath. Mag-aano kami? Pajama party! Kami tatlo lang. Kasi bukas yung box show ni Dan eh. So, si Dan, wala siya of course. Magbo-box show siya. And box show. Bachelor's party, stag party. Sabi ni Anna at saka ni Kath, punta sila dito. Magpa-party din kami. Magpa-party din. I'll show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing this top that I got from American Eagle. Jeans from Target. Bag from Zaful, and then I'm just wearing my glasses. And sedan na to. We're off to the shops. We will get some food for tomorrow. The girls' night, babe. Because you will have your box show, so we will have girls' night as well. Stop doing that. Are you excited? Of course you are. Stripper!
I'm not crazy excited. I'll be good, but I'm not crazy excited.
What did you say? This is what we're getting so far for tomorrow's party. Oh yeah, we have milk. And they said cookies, babe. See?
Well,
this one's good. Huh? I know! We were here for the biscuit, but now we're done with biscuit. So let's go. Let's go look for something else.
Chocolate.
Not everyone. I don't like white chocolate.
Vanilla.
Ooh, cool. We got this. I'm getting this. It's 2 for $5, so might as well get 2. Do you think we should get that? It's both caramel now.
I'd get white chocolate personally,
Okay.
but it's up to you.
Or how about Black Forest?
It's up to you, baby. You want to try Black Forest? Can you try Black Forest?
I don't know. I personally will not eat it. I'm fine. This is mine.
Oh, just get that one.
I'm looking for that's Woolies exclusive. What is that, babe? The red one.
Red velvet or something?
Yeah, the red coated one. Apple crumble? No.
Mango flavor. No one wants it.
It's not mango. It's pine. Oh yeah, it's mango. No one wants it. Sige, let's get white chocolate. Or just get the original. Boring.
Just get white chocolate.
Oh gosh.
Nah, Kath likes chocolate. She knows chocolate.
Is this your party? We're home. I'm doing a haul. Tapos aalis kami, magde-dinner kami somewhere. Keto sweet potato sea salt. Tatry ko siya bukas. Sa party! And then ito. Yes. To go with the cheese, apricot, and almond cheese. Yum. And then I got 2 Tim Tams. Yung milk chocolate chocolate caramel. And then I got iced tea. Ilalagay ko sa freezer yung aming chicken kasi hindi na kami mag-chicken tonight. We will celebrate good times no more. These two, 2 for $5. Apple at saka apple mango. Kasi alam niyo naman hindi pwede uminom sikat. Tapos hindi din ako umiinom. So we just got that. And then 2 milk. Si Dan yung kumuha nito. And then I got corn. Kasi mura lang yung corn. $2.50 apat na. And rice pala. Kasi half price yung rice nila. Jasmine rice. And then we got this in the mail today. This is for the wedding, so I'm not showing you it. Petrol. Hello! Pauwi na kami. We went to Target. I got, you guys, look at this. I got more popcorn for tomorrow's party. I got fairy floss for tomorrow's party. Fairy floss, cotton candy. Yan. Yes. Bili ako ng dalawa. Nakita ko kasi siya sa naka-sale. Yung papunta ka na pang check-out. Tapos maraming naka-sale. And then ito din. Naka-sale siya. Galing $2, $1 na lang. Or I'm not sure if $2 talaga yung original price niya, but nakalagay dito was $2 and then now it's only $1. Ano siya? Mango chips. Dried mango chips. And then yung pinunta ko talaga doon is this. Bumili ako ng top para isuot ko sa Monday. Ano kasi siya? Smart business dress code. Dito kami sa, what's the name, babe? Great River something? Great River? Restaurant, guys. Korean restaurant. Yum! Kain. Wala pa nga. Hindi pa kami nakapa-order. We got a fire here, people. This is my second time sa Korean restaurant. The first time, babe, do you remember the first time we went to a Korean restaurant? Okay. Do you remember the first time we went? I mean, my first time. We were with your mom.
Okay.
Yeah? Near the hospital. So this is my second time. We got the combination, sobrang daming meat. Siguro mga... How many kinds of meat? 5?
Yeah, 4 or 5.
Yeah. Yeah, dami. This is our food so far. Then we'll start cooking. It's actually not bad, babe. It's not like a lot of food. We can finish this. I need my rice. Ooh. Let me do it, babe. I want to do it. Guys, nakakatuwa kasi meron ding, meron ding ganito, lulutuin sana ni Da. Sabi ko, Da, looks po. And it is. Lulutuin niya sana, lagay niya dyan o kanina. Good, babe? Yummers? Hello, I'm wearing a mask again. Siguro pang 11 na to na night na nagmamask ako non-stop talaga. Every night na talaga ako nagmamask. And I'm liking the results. That's why I'm continuing. Like every day, every night na talaga ako nagmamask. As long as kaya ko, go for it. Diba? Ito yung collagen. Wait, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ipuda. Yung brand niya. Yung collagen mask nila. Pag-apply ko sa kanya, parang wow, very alcohol-y na kanyang amoy. Ito, collagen facial mask from Ipuda, right there. It's an amazing day today. Tomorrow's gonna be amazing as well. Dan's gonna have his stag party. Ilang beses ko na nasabi. And then I will have biglaang party with the girls as well. They will come over and we will have a party that's gonna be a really good vlog. We'll see. And I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna lay in bed, pray, and thank God for today because it's an amazing day and I'm so thankful. And salamat din guys sa inyo, sa suporta ninyo, sa lahat na nagsabi, sa lahat ng pinag-pray ako na makuha ko yung job. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. As in, sobra. You guys are the best and thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good night. So, nandun sa kabala, hindi pa pumunta dito sa kwarto. But yeah, good night.